pair of Acorn Woodpeckers perched on the top of a tree in front of Last Word Ranch. The one on the left was letting out a call I hadn't heard before. So it got my attention, and of course I turned the camera on, and it quits. So to heck with you.
We got scrub jay too. Okay. One each. Yeah, get down there and get it. Okay, I don't know what you're eating besides the worm, but okay.
Two light poles south of the bird feeding site. Red-tailed hawk perched on a light pole. Capturing it now from a distance because it might not be there when we walk down. Hawk.
And on the egret. We have a great white egret on the hillside out with the horses from Whispering Hills Ranch. Photo bomb! Oh well, but the horse kept moving. They recently mowed the hillside, so it's easier to see the animals now. We still got some tall. And it's up there.
That red-tailed hawk that we recorded on the light poles is successful hunting. Can't really tell what it's got, but some kind of rodent. And just a few yards down from the red-tailed hawk that's eating, this Cooper's hawk is perched on a fence post. So there's the two of them. Wow, Cooper's hawk taking off. A little further uphill. At least this shows the size difference.
Okay, today is flea treatment day for Fluffy. Come on.
Come here.
This is to make you feel better. Not so itchy. That's the plan. Scarf. Is that it?
Oh
yeah. Okay, so after flea treatment, Jay gave her more treats to enjoy. We do have Lucifer today. And Fluffy's water dish was totally empty, and she was drinking water as I was pouring it into the water dish. And we have a second red-tailed hawk on a street light that's nearest Fluffy's area. It has its back to us.
Turkey vulture on light.
Okay, and on a street light that's on a street up over from Evans Road, we have a turkey vulture. So just full of wildlife here today. Well, it's better than one turkey vulture on a light pole. How about two? The one that I had been doing the video of got companion showed up. Buddy, friend, whatever. They don't seem to be fighting, so I presume they're friends. Both of them are adults. Yeah. When they are flying in the sky, they are so graceful. Okay, well, we're going to head on with our walk. We're still at Fluffy's area. We got two egrets. One a little further from the horse and one right next to the horse.
On the left, you see the white bird? There's two of them. See another one higher up? So those are great egrets. They're about 3 feet tall.
Wow, the new one coming here. They from where?
Oh, they live down by the bay, but they come up here to get
Morning.
a mouse or a squirrel.
Well, two of the egrets that were with the horses are now over at the grazing cows above, on the hillside above Whispering Hills Ranch. You guys aren't staying together. It makes it hard for me to video the two of you. Oh, thank you. Now you're out of sight, and so is the other one going to be if it walks to you. Okay. They like to hang out with the cows. Okie dokes. We're at the Corner Corral area of Whispering Hills Ranch. Looking at the hillside above the ranch. And we have a third egret that's still over with the horses. We've got a couple here to the right of him, and a couple there to the left of him. Get them all in as a group photo. There we go, there's your group photo. Okie dokes, we're heading to the park. We haven't even gotten to the park yet. Our resident song sparrow and this cottontail rabbit who's busy munching on apple slice. Photobombed by a collared dove. Okay, you're gonna have some cracked corn now, or are you going for another apple? No, different apple slice. There we go. Going to the cracked corn. Okay. So, get
Put down some offerings at the back of Adobe Park. Dried mealworms and some cat treats. Oop. Poor spotted towhee always backs off from the California towhee. This is an adult male. And the California towhee. There. Not sure what's going to happen at the feeding site, because just the other side of the grapevines, hunkered down by the curb, we got a little domestic cat. We've seen this one around. Very interesting stripe pattern. I suspect it's one of the exotic crossbreeds. A domestic cat has come out more into the open. I imagine it moved when the male turkeys went by. We've got the rest of the turkey family coming. So we'll see how the cat reacts. Oops, here we go. Hello, turkey birds. Good morning. Yeah, cat's holding its ground. Even the hen turkey's not going to give it any grief, it looks like.
We missed seeing Holly on our way to Adobe Park. She wasn't here, at least not responding to us calling. And here she is waiting for us. She knows our routine, knows that she might have missed us on the way out, but she's not missing us on the way back. on one of the cluster redwood trees that's in the Poppy Lane area. Not where we normally see one.
Look at you paying attention to all the wildlife.
Yeah. Just a short video because we're on our way home, but yeah, he's standing there tall and proud. Handsome, handsome. There we go.
Over on the evergreens by Poppy Lane Townhomes, there's a great egret perched on top. It just kind of stands out with the sun shining on it.
Back at Fluffy's. The sun came out. Yeah, treats. Treats, treat time. Come on, sweetie. Yeah. Speedy, come on. Ah. Come on. Go for it. Oh, Scrub Jay's gonna take it. Okay, there's one other. He's not where the worm. There we go.